You asked an AI to feed your family for a week on $150. It said, done. The real cart, $202. Same food, same week, $52 it never mentioned. And here's the strange part. It wasn't wrong about the dinners. It was wrong about the money, and it will never think to tell you. Stick around, and you'll get why every big AI does this, what the gap quietly costs you in a year, and the one move that fixes it tonight. So we ran the test. One prompt, 4 engines, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. Plan a week of dinners for 4. Stay under $150 in groceries. Everyone came back with a clean, confident plan. Sheet pan chicken, a stir fry, pasta night, a steak Friday. And everyone quoted a total, right around $145. Then we took those exact lists to a real Walmart pickup cart in 3 different zip codes. Not one came in under budget. They ran over by 22 to 29%, every single engine, and nobody flagged it. 3 of the 4 whispered estimated once in the fine print, then quoted the number like gospel. Here's why it happens. Food prices are moving faster than the AI can learn them. Groceries, food at home, are up almost 3% in a year. Beef alone jumped nearly 3% in a single month. 5 of the 6 grocery aisles went up at once. Now, an AI trained on data that ends in mid-2024 learned 2023 prices. It's quoting them today with total confidence. On the volatile stuff, beef, eggs, citrus, the price it remembers can be 20 to 30% low. It doesn't know that. It just answers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just use a newer model, one that can search the web. We tried. Here's the catch. A model that Google's ground beef price gets a national average, or a news article from 3 months ago. It does not get your store, your zip code, your loyalty price. And that is the whole ballgame, because grocery prices are wildly local. The same pound of beef can swing 80% between a Phoenix Albertsons and a Brooklyn Whole Foods. Walmart, the store that sets the floor for a quarter of the country, publishes no public price list at all. Kroger does, but only its own stores, and none in the Northeast. So this isn't a smarter brain problem. It's a plumbing problem. The prices just aren't reachable. And here's where it gets weird. While your AI can't see the price is quietly turning into an AI too. This year, lawmakers in 24 states filed more than 40 bills to rein in something called surveillance pricing. Stores using your own data to set a price just for you. There's a bipartisan bill in Congress, and Maryland just became the first state to ban it in groceries outright. Why? Investigators caught one grocery app's algorithm charging different shoppers up to 23% more, item by item. So sit with that. The number your AI guesses is stale, and the real number is increasingly custom-built for you. 2 different AI and price problems colliding in the same cart. So what does the blind spot actually cost you? For a family running a $150 weekly budget off AI plans, the overshoot runs about $35 to $45 a week. That's $120 to $200 a month. Call it $1,400 to $2,400 a year. That is the same size as all the food a typical household throws away. And here's the cruel part. You don't blame the app. You blame yourself for overspending. The app never once said it wasn't sure. Okay. So what actually works? One rule. The AI plans, the store prices. The apps that get budgets right don't let the AI guess the number at all. They hand your cart to a real retailer. Instacart, Walmart's Sparky, Kroger's Assistant, and the store hands back the true total before you pay. Instacart's version now lives right inside ChatGPT, secured through Stripe, though OpenAI actually walked the bigger rollout back in March, so even the fix is still finding its feet. And full honesty about us, Recipy runs on AI too, and on its own, it's just as blind to prices as any of them. So it doesn't guess. It hands your list to Instacart, which prices the real cart for your zip and your store before you check out. And anything AI generated, we label as AI generated, no pretending. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipy's trying to run the kitchen, holding your context so your budget isn't a guess. So, 3 moves for tonight. 1. Ignore any dollar figure in AI quotes without showing you a real cart. Treat it as zero data, not a budget. 2. Plan with the AI, price with the store. Let each do the part it's good at. 3. Pick 1 or 2 stores and link your loyalty card. At the big Kroger chains, that alone is 15 to 25% off. And remember that $150 plan? It wasn't lying about the food. It was lying about the money. Quietly, confidently, and for free. Next time we pull the stranger thread, the grocery price that changes based on who you are. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoon.